In this video, you'll learn how to upload images on Firebase in just a few minutes, using Firebase Storage to keep your files safe, fast, and accessible from anywhere. First, go to firebase.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Open your Firebase Console, select your project, or click Add Project to create a new one from scratch. Next, in the left sidebar, click on Build and then select Storage. Click Get Started. Choose your security rules test mode for development or production mode for stricter access, and pick a storage location close to your users. Now, you can upload images directly from the Firebase console. Just click Upload File. Select the image from your computer, and Firebase will instantly save it to your storage bucket with a unique download URL. After that, to upload images from your app, install the Firebase SDK and use the storage methods. With just a few lines of code, you can let users upload photos, profile pictures, or any file straight from your website or mobile app. Once the image is uploaded, Firebase automatically generates a secure link you can use to display it anywhere. You can also organize files into folders, track uploads in real time, and manage everything from the console. And that's it. Your images are now safely uploaded on Firebase. Fast, secure, and ready to power your app.